Hello, this is CoBank's FraudWise, helping you avoid becoming a victim of fraud. We've talked before about the dangers of malware, or malicious software that can compromise your data and account information, enable perpetrators to hold your data or systems hostage for ransom or even steal money, and enable identity theft. One of the challenges with malware is that it's designed to run without your knowledge. Here are some warning signs that malware has been installed behind the scenes. First, your computer may start acting oddly. It could suddenly be very slow in starting up or completing tasks, even if you're not connected to the internet. Programs may appear or disappear unexpectedly, and when you investigate, you may find unexplained network or hard drive activity. When you're online, your browser may stop working properly or at all. You may suddenly see an increase in error messages, ads, and pop-up windows. You may also see signs of emails or social media messages sent without your knowledge, possibly brought to your attention by friends or colleagues responding to them. And of course, in one of the most frustrating situations, your computer screen may display the dreaded frozen screen, often called the blue screen of death, making it impossible for you to investigate what's happened or do any work at all. When you or one of your employees experience any of these symptoms, immediately disconnect from the internet, notify your IT team for resolution, and if you've suffered financial harm from fraud, notify the authorities. If the problem is on your personal computer, run a comprehensive virus scan to find and destroy the malware, and consider taking the device to a computer professional to make sure the problem has been completely resolved. This has been CoBank FraudWise, helping you protect against fraud.